Sometimes you might want to export a view from SmartSuite. Well, that is exactly what we're going to be covering in this training, so stick around and let's get into it. It should come as no surprise that the first thing we need to do in order to export a view is, of course, access a solution. So let's go ahead and roll on into SmartSuite and access a solution. In our case, I'm going to pick the product management solution here. I have a number of different apps. Maybe I want to look at my Epics app here, and I want to share a view inside of this app. Now, I want to point out that not all of the view types can be exported. So in order to demonstrate this, I'm actually going to take a look inside of my Epics app, where we are. I have two different views. I have my Epic listing, which is a grid view, and then I have my Epic at a glance listing, and this particular one is a dashboard view. So if you're curious about creating new views, of course, you can come down here and check out the different view types. But in this case, we see that grid view is the logo for the Epic listing. And again, the dashboard is my Epic at a glance. So a dashboard is one of the view types that cannot be exported, but my Epic listing can because it's a grid view. So make sure that you've selected the particular view you want to share. And then in the upper right corner, click on the menu here. And you can scroll on down to export. And here we have the option to choose either exporting in PDF, Excel, Google Sheets, or CSV. So let's go ahead and experiment with the PDF. Again, we get the different options here for how we want to present that data, be that paper size, layout, landscape, or portrait, the column sizing, and the font size. Once we're happy with those selections, go ahead and export to PDF. It'll take just a moment, and your PDF is generated from that view. The PDF looks pretty clean. We have the data here and the second page as well. So you can then get a feel for how you can export this view. If I flip on back in there though, and I go to a different view, let's look at our Epic at a glance dashboard view type. When I make this selection, I cannot get the same options when I click on that menu in the upper right. So just notice that not all views are exportable, but if you're looking for exporting that grid view, that is definitely one that you can just export either to a CSV, Excel, Google Sheets, or PDF. I know we went fast here, lots to cover, so go ahead and rewatch the video if you missed any of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Redo the end part. I know we went fast here. There's a lot to cover in this, so if you missed any of it, feel free to go back and rewatch, and I'll see you in the next. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.